Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside look into this 2022 Grand Design Transcend 260RB. But before we get started, don't forget, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. But we're going to switch it up and start with something a little bit different today. Instead of the outside, we're going to start right here on the inside of this travel trailer. And why don't we start with the bathroom in the back? One thing I love about rear bathroom models is all of the space that it gives you. So usually you have a little bit better of a sink area, and this camper is no exception. Check out all of the storage down below and this countertop space that even goes way back here. And we have 3 mirrors that are all storage back there as well. There's plenty of places for all of your products, and this shower has even bigger storage than normal, so I really appreciate that. Some towels can fit in there, some clothes, or any other linens you would like to keep. And we have our built-in shower with a removable shower head. Again, I'm 5'11", and there's a really nice skylight in here, and we even have our squeegee door, so we don't have to worry about a curtain or any of that extra water getting outside of our shower. So let's move into our entertainment space. Our entertainment space and living spaces are all sort of combined into one in this travel trailer, since we only have one slide out. In that slide out, we have our kitchen and our TV entertainment area. I really like this space because they give you lots and lots of storage up here. Again, I always say this is a great place to keep extra linens or anything, or board games or anything else you need, because there's plenty of storage. And we even have our indoor-outdoor speaker system, all the controls right here, and they have all the HDMI connections and everything else you need to play those tunes. Nice smart TV on a swivel, and check out more storage down below, so that's really awesome. Now usually you would see something like a fireplace here, but they did opt to put extra storage instead. So if that's not a big must-have for you and you plan on doing some warmer weather camping, this would be a really good option. Our theater seating is right across from it, so it gives you a great view, and I love how they all recline without hitting the back wall. Even fully nap mode, you don't hit the back wall, and there's lots and lots of windows around, some extra accent lighting, and more storage above, so they pretty much make sure that you're comfortable. Let's look at the kitchen next. Moving on with our slide, we even have a pantry option with a motion sensor light. I love the at-home look the outside has with this nice glass. Check it out, we've got a 3-burner top Furrion stove that even has a built-in splash guard. I love these lights, they're perfect for night lights, especially if you're going from the master to the bathroom. Have just one light on, no big deal. And we even have a pot drawer for all those bigger pots and pans you need to take, because you will be cooking in this Transcend. And they even added in a vent right above the stove, so if you've got some sausages or anything in the oven that's smoking a little bit, this will bring that directly out of the camper. So I really like the placement of that. In this particular model, we've got a nice size RV fridge here. I love the LED lighting inside, as well as an extra storage drawer down here. Now, if you look on the manufacturer's website, often they sell different inserts for these, some for wine bottles, some for pet bowls, so you should definitely check that out. And we've got 3 more drawers that are really good size. Oh wow, really good. So those would be extra storage and whatever else you need to cook your meals. And check this out, we've got our sink area here. I love this really large inset sink. This is super big for lots of dishes, and you have more countertop space on each side to really dry those dishes, as well as plenty of space up top and down here. I would say you definitely have enough space for extra appliances, blenders, and even maybe an air fryer or 2 to fit into this space. Also, as you can see, I have a little extra clothing there. I've got my hat and my jacket over there, so it's got a really nice little area right next to the door, so you can just carry things out. As far as dining, we have our booth dinette option here. I love this table, and don't forget, this is an additional sleeping area for 1 other person, so this would be a really great couples camper, and you can definitely bring a friend along. Or if you want to use this to eat, you can enjoy your view wherever you're parked with all of these amazing windows, and probably check out the outside too. It's really nice. But let's move back to the master. On the way to the master, we pass our entryway of sorts. It has our control panel with all of our light slides and tanks. And we've got a nice place to hang some coats before we head out the door, which I will be putting on here shortly. But let's check out the master first, then outside. Here we are in our very cozy master. This master has 2 windows on both sides of the camper, so you can keep an eye out outside while you're in here, as well as a vent fan up top, so you can keep the airflow going on those hot nights as well. Each side has their own wardrobe with hanging areas and open shelving above, and of course more storage below this bed. And we even have extra places to charge our phones, or even have a CPAP machine underneath on our bedside tables here. So you pretty much have everything you need in here, and probably a little bit more, because you can even put a TV up there if you would like. But let's look what the outside looks like. Our pass-through storage is located in the front of this camper. It has plenty of room and it's fully finished, so you can clean it out after every trip. I like that they added the convenience bay on the other side right next to where you'll be plugging everything in and getting everything ready for the campsite, so it's all really convenient. But let's look at where you'll be hanging out. On the outside, we have nothing but space here to hang out outside this Transcend. You have a really large awning that would be awesome on those sunny days. And we even have some LED light strips and outdoor speakers, so you've got plenty of places to play cornhole, have a little fire, and even have some picnic tables out here to hang out. But what do you think of this Transcend? Do you have any questions about this or any other Transcend on the Grand Design line? Then give us a call here at Cookeville RV Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.